Hello everyone. To make this custom mask, I was given this plain mask by my prop teacher in school. I painted giant triangles over the eyes and sectioned off the triangles with a checkered pattern. I also used Google as a reference when looking up Renaissance masks. I then used a pencil to add swirls around the cheeks and black paint to add a lipstick design to the lips. I created the blue Folly Bell designs out of Avafoam gym floor mats. I cut the foam into giant triangles, shaved down the edges to make them smooth, and used a heat gun to heat them into a curved shape. I then painted them blue, and using DAP Wellwood contact cement, I glued them onto the back of the mask. To attach the bells to the foam, I used a needle and thread, poking the needle through the side of the foam and repeatedly wrapping the thread through. To add even more detail, I used gold puff paint that I bought from Walmart and painted over the checkered lines and cheek lines. When this dried, it became a sparkly gold. Lastly, I painted the several segments of the holding stick with matching colors from the mask and used clear coat to cover everything in a clear seal to keep the color in place. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.